Hey, what's up, party people? Welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you a brand new ICO review, late night edition, and it is called Lendera. So let's get started. We are here on the main page, and this is a pretty cool design actually. You know. Anyway, let's see. It says initial coin offering ICO round 2. So this ICO is pretty hard because I tried to get in round 1, but I couldn't because it was sold out instantaneously. And it also has a cap, which is 700 coins per round per person. So even if they have a cap here, their coins still sold out in no time. So this is a very important criteria to all the lending platform I have invested in because if there's a lot of investors trying to get the coins, that is a very good thing. So if you have difficulty trying to buy the coins, that's a good thing. Instead of I've seen some platforms that can't even sell their ICO. You know, uh, so if you can't even sell their ICO, and the ICO was lasting for a week or even more than that, they still can't sell it. So you can see the difference here because for a platform that can even sell its ICO, it is a risky bet because they don't have that many participants. And all we know that is that in order for these lending platforms to succeed, it has to have a large amount of participants and potential investors that would be willing to put their money in. So this is I'm very satisfied about this platform in this criteria. And yeah, this is why. Moving on. Oh, they need to fix this. This is a timer, but it's not working functionally. Token sell. They're gonna sell 6 million tokens, which is okay. It's a decent number. And here's a pie chart for the distribution of tokens. There are 5 rounds in total. And every round, let's see, every round the token is increasing in every round. Okay, that seems okay. Let's check out the juicy part, which is the lending program. They actually didn't disclose their lending interest. They only disclosed the bonus interest. I mean, this is pretty bad. I'm gonna be honest with you. I hope they can change that because yeah, there's no disclosure of how much you are gonna earn on this platform, which is crazy to think about. So far, this is the biggest issue I don't like, and I think they need to disclose that as soon as possible. And in order to attract more investors, I think they need to offer at least 40 to 45% monthly interest in order to compete with all the other newcomers and stay competitive in in this market. Minimum lending appreciation chart. I think this is for every $2 starting from April 2018. So I guess they forecast their lending program will start in April. Not sure about that. And until April of 2019. That's okay. So minimum lending appreciation chart. So I guess we can calculate how much percent is there, I guess. But I mean, what is that? They need to disclose their numbers, and it's just that simple. How it works, we would have just said it's volatility bot that generates the profits, but we all know that a bot is not sufficient enough to generate such vast amounts of returns. Another thing to consider, a trading bot doesn't win all the trades, which is why we are introducing our methods of making profits as followed below. So they are not using a trading bot. Let's see what they got. Arbitrage. The cryptocurrency market is unique. The decentralization and distribution of its users are attracting many online exchanges to start a business. Okay, therefore, all exchanges are trading about 50% similar currencies, but sometimes the price for each pair varies among different exchanges. Thus, we buy through one exchange and sell through another, resulting in sufficient amounts of profit on each trade. So they're basically also trading the arbitrage. And yeah, if they're not using a trading bot, they're probably doing it manually, I guess. Don't know about that part. Doesn't make sense. Positive manipulation. We are the whale of our coin, and it's in our best interest to maintain its long-term growth, which is why we will reserve 50% of the money raised during the ICO to support our coin when it goes down, and slowly exchange it back. So what this part says, I think, is that they will keep at least half of the money raised from the ICO, and if the coin price do drop after it hits the exchange, they're gonna dump in their reserve money and force the coin price to go up. That's what I think. And this is something unique, I gotta admit, but still, 50% of the ICO to what if they spend all the reserve money and the coin price still goes down? How they're gonna do it in the long run? So I don't really think this is something it's that simple. I think they need to put some more thoughts into it. And I'm kind of critical about this part also. Then it says price appreciation. The key to making a profit on a lending platform is the exchange price appreciation. The more coins that go into lending, the higher the value of the coin. Thus, our strategy is to aim at attracting investors to lend with our continuous enticing lending offers. Okay, this still doesn't say what the offers are, but I'm assuming they are going to offer pretty attractive rates and interest, I guess. And the more coins that go into lending, the higher the value of the coin. Okay, I think they're basically going to offer higher lending interest, and therefore more investors will lend instead of dump the coin. So yeah, let's see, referral. Yeah, nothing special. Uh, roadmap here. So in March, at the end of February, they're gonna launch lending program. At the beginning of the March, they're gonna launch the internal exchange, then everything, then staking. Okay, and in June they're gonna airdrop. Let's see, Lendera dollar airdrop, 100 Lendera coin for each Lendera coin landed for more than 45 days. 100 coin for each. Okay, so for every coin you landed for more than 45 days, they're gonna give you $100 worth of land. Okay, this is not 100 coins. This is $100 worth of Lendera coin, however, whatever amount that might be. So this is pretty unique stuff. I like it, and it will also lower the circulating supply, so which makes the coin price go higher. So this is actually a good move. I like that. They're gonna host Lendera global event, still in Pattaya, Thailand. Okay, so they're doing what bitconnect is doing basically, because bitconnect also hosts their annual ceremony in Thailand. So they are doing what bitconnect is doing. Um, that's okay. Let's see, get in touch. All right, let's log in and see the back office. Come on. Okay, here's a message. We are still suspending deposits, and that's currently out of our control. Our payment processor is going through some maintenance, and therefore we are unable to verify if users' deposits are going through or not, which is why we decided to keep deposit suspended until further notice. ICO round 2 will be rescheduled, and the new time and date will be announced as soon as everything with the payment processor is clear. We really regret this, but again, this is really out of our control. You can verify that through Coin Payments official Twitter page. Thank you for your understanding. Alright, I guess they need to get their shit together. Because you can see here, come on. I do have half a Litecoin in my balance. And I also ran into some problem because after I deposit the Litecoin, it didn't show up in my balance. So I had to contact the support. But what I gotta say is that their support service is very fast. After I submit the ticket, you can see here, and tell them I don't have my Litecoins, and they just, manually fix the problem. So, the system is, I don't know, man, it's not that reliable, at least for now. But the services is pretty good. The support is pretty good, I gotta say. So, yeah, basically, this is what happened, and and that's why I also have a mixed feeling for this platform. Let's see, the next round ICO will be 90 cents. 90 cents, okay. The last round will be 1.05, okay. You know what this reminds me? This back office reminds me of Tenno Coin, which is, another ICO just concluded recently. I can show you guys here. Yeah, the ICO page looks exactly the same, I would say. And now this ICO is over for Tenno Coin, of course. So they have started their lending, but haven't launched their exchange yet. And you can see I have put in my own money and bought 900 Tenno coins here, because I really do like this coin, and this coin also sells out very fast. So there's not much move for Tenno coin, so I'm gonna wait for it hits the exchange. But still, you can still land it if you want to, because a lot of platforms do that right now. They let you land before they even hit the exchange. So if you want to land, you can do that. But I don't really recommend you, because ICO is all about the appreciation of the coin, and all you have to do is wait for it to hit the exchange. but they do have very high interest rate, and it's almost 2%, at least 1.5%, I think. And they promise they have like 55% for a month, which is really high. Anyway, back to Lendera. Let's see what else they got. Yeah, they basically got everything that everybody else got. Coming soon. Referral, support, settings, FAQs, logouts. Yeah, so that's basically it. And so just to conclude this video, I think this ICO is okay if I think it's average. You know, if the total score is 10, I probably give it a 7. You know, and I personally will be investing in it. That's what I can tell you. I probably invest $500 into this platform, you know, just to see what happens. But I think it will do very well because, you know, they got everything lined up already, and yeah, and their coins sell out very fast, and this is one thing I like. So there's already 3 rounds completed. There's only 4 rounds left, so only half of the ICO to go. So once it hits the exchange, I believe the coin price will go up, and they also gonna release their internal exchange first, which means they can manipulate the coin price, which is a good thing. And overall, it seems okay, to be honest. So if you guys do wanna participate, I'll leave the link down below. But do your own research first and make your own decision. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button and also smash that subscribe button. Please do subscribe to my channel because I update regularly and providing my insight on what I'm doing and why I'm doing this. So, you know, if you wanna make money together, let's do it. So yeah, that concludes the video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.